Learn how to change text from one language to another in Google Chrome. First, open your Chrome web browser and be on the page. Alright, I am on the page that I want to use for this example, and I don't even know which language is this, but I know it's not English language, but I understand English language. Okay, so what you need to do is to highlight the text. So I'll place my cursor here, then press and hold on the left button of your mouse and then highlight what is there. Okay, so look at what I want to translate to English language. I don't know what it means, so I have highlighted the text. After highlighting the text, right click. All right, you will see so many options, and one of them here is translate selection to English. It has already dictated that my default language is English. So if we are in another location, it will dictate the kind of language you understand, and it will be translated to that particular language. So I'll click on this. You can see a new page is open at the top telling me what this means, and it says, hello, some creators are reporting that their new videos are showing 0 likes, views, and comments, which is correct. If this helps, consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time.